All right, class, for question 23, we've got to solve the absolute value where you have an x on both sides, so that makes this a little more difficult. That means you have to check for extraneous solutions, so you have to do a check here. So I'm going to have to go ahead and split. See, the absolute value is already by itself, so I can go ahead and split now. And so I get x plus 4 equals 2x minus 1. And on the other side, I get x plus 4 is equal to, and you got to do the negative of this. And remember, you got to flip both signs. So it's negative 2x plus 1. You have to flip the negative 1 to plus 1 as well. You have to flip both. So I need to solve both of these now for x. It looks like minusing the x over here would give me x on both sides. So I'm going to do that. And I get x minus 1 equals 4 plus 1 plus 1. X is equal to 5 on that side. And then I'm going to solve this side. And let's see what we get over here. I'm going to do plus 3x to both sides. I mean plus 2x, my bad. Plus 2x. I was thinking ahead right there. Because I'm going to get 3x over here equals 1. And so I'm going to do minus 4 to both sides to move that 4 over. And that'll cancel, and I get 3x equals negative 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to negative 1. But you can't just assume this is right, because one of these could be extraneous here. So you have to check these. So I'm going to check now. Let's check negative 5. So I'm going to plug in negative 5 for x. And I'm going to plug it in to this one right here. Yeah, I'm going to plug it into the original equation. And what am I going to get? Negative 5 plus 4. See, I'm plugging it into this. Negative 5 and 2 times negative 5 equals 2 times negative 5 minus 1. And let's see if this works out here. Oh, it's positive 5, my bad. I was wondering, that looked weird. Okay, positive 5 was what I got over here. See it right there? Right there it says positive 5. Okay. So 5 plus 4 is 9. That works. Equals 2 times 5 is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So that works. 5 is good. And then you want to check negative 1 and plug in negative 1 for both of these. So negative 1 plus 4 is equal to 2 times negative 1 minus 1. And so let's check that. You get negative 1 plus 4 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is equal to 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 1. And negative 3? That does not work. The absolute value of 3 is not negative 3, it's 3. So the only correct answer is 5, which would make D the correct answer.